Bebop 2 Power FPV. The Parrot Bebop 2 Power can be considered more of a revision than a sequel to the original Bebop 2. It now comes in a two-tone black color for a slightly more aggressive look and offers improved flight time, allowing for up to 30 minutes from a single charge. There are 2 batteries included, meaning up to an hour up in the air, as well as the improved cocked glasses, 2 FPV goggles and a remote control. Flight has been upgraded with a number of automated modes for more cinematic shots and easy piloting. All the above is available for a very competitive £629, which makes the Parrot Bebop 2 Power FPV an enticing package overall. Visually, aside from that new Bruce Wayne appealing black paint job, not a great deal has changed from the Bebop 2. The rear LED light that provides status indications, and that makes it slightly easier to identify the rear when up in the sky, is now blue. It was red on the previous model. Otherwise, both models are identical. The drone has a standard quadcopter design and is surprisingly light at just 550 grams. That's owing to some of the build materials, which consist of lightweight plastic and a polystyrene-like material towards the front. Compared to a drone such as the DJI Spark, the Bebop 2 Power doesn't feel as robust, with the model showing some flex in parts on the exertion of some force. Saying that the Bebop 2 Power offers an hour of flight might be a little disingenuous considering you'll need to swap out batteries to achieve this time. Nevertheless, up to 30 minutes of flight on a single battery is still an impressive feat. That's more than double offered by the DJI Spark. It's a pretty accurate measurement, too, considering that's 30 minutes measured in ideal flying conditions in video mode. The Parrot Bebop 2 Power is undoubtedly a good value bundle considering everything you get for £629. The DJI Spark Fly More bundle, which includes extra accessories, will set you back £699. The Bebop 2 Power is great fun to fly, offers excellent battery life and lots of useful automated functions that let you concentrate on capturing video or images. However, the actual image quality lets it down slightly. Between the Bebop 2 Power and DJI Spark, the Parrot drone is the more fun to fly, whereas the DJI Spark captures the better footage.